Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Start by opening any app, for example YouTube, and click on Home button. Then click on the square button and hold this app. Now click on this icon over here and tap on any other app from background apps, or if you click Home button, you can choose apps from your phone. So I will go with, for example, Gallery, and now as you can see, I can use all of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!